Well, hello there everyone. I'm so glad that you're joining me today because it's my birthday and I am going to make myself a cake. One of my favorites, a coconut cream cake. So hang with me because you know what time it is. It is time to get cooking. So the first thing that I'm going to do is make a white cake, and I'm just using a box of cake mix. And I'm going to follow the recipe on the back of the box. 1 1/4 cups of water, 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and 4 egg whites. So while my cake is in the oven, I'm going to make the coconut cream. Now this is a poke cake. After it comes out, I'm going to poke holes in it and I'm going to pour the cream over the cake. Okay, so what I have here is 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk. To that, I'm going to add 1/3 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I want to boost that coconut flavor. So I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of coconut flavoring. All right, I'm going to mix this all around. I'm going to make sure that cornstarch is dissolved. All right, I'm going to turn on the heat to low heat, and I'm going to bring this up into a boil, and it will begin to thicken. All right, so I just took the cake out of the oven. I'm going to take the bottom of a wooden spoon and I'm going to poke holes all in the cake, and then I'm going to pour that coconut cream over top. Then I'm going to sprinkle some unsweetened coconut flakes on top. Now I want to let it completely cool in the refrigerator. So my cake is completely cooled. So now I'm going to make the frosting for the cake, which is just whipped cream. 1 cup of heavy cream and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. I'm just going to add about 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to add some more of the shredded coconut on top. All right, so my birthday cake is all done and I am so excited to have a piece. But you guys, first you gotta come check it out. All right, so here goes. Oh yeah. So delicious. If you love coconut, you're going to want to try this cake. You will not be sorry. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.